Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Mike Price, the hybrid agent, and I am shooting this video to show you guys how important it is right now, especially in a rising interest rate market, how extremely important it is for you to use the hybrid agent program that I have created and put together. All right, so what I've got here on my screen is one of the homes for sale on hybridagenthomes.com, and it's basically just a house that's in MLS. All right, so what I've got here, just pulling up the house, the price of this house is $585,000, right? Now you see here, it says we pay your closing costs up to $87.75, right? So we're going to pay your closing costs up to $8,775. And the way that we're going to utilize it in this specific scenario is I'm going to show you how you're going to save upwards of $57,000 over the life of this loan. All right, so here's the house, 585, 8775. Now, keep in mind that we're an actual mortgage broker, so we've already got some of the lowest interest rates in the business. And I compared this to one of my competitors in town. I just did a little secret shop and got their pricing, and they're one of the bigger mortgage companies in the Metroplex. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to jump into another program and show you where we got that comparison and how it all shakes out. All right, so what we've got here, this is them on the left side, and this is my hybrid agent program right here on the right-hand side. So hybrid agent over here, regular mortgage company using normal real estate agent who's not going to give you any commission over here. All right, so what we've got is the purchase price, $585. We're putting down 5%. Their interest rate right now, and remember, the market is increasing. So their interest rate, 4.49%, right? 4.49%. It's almost 4.5%. All right, that's going to make your payment, tax, insurance, PMI, and everything right at $3,800. Okay, so you got $3,800. Now, total cash to close after earnest money and everything, putting down 5%, you're going to need about $36,000 if you go out and buy this particular property. All right, so $36,800. All right, now with the hybrid agent program, same purchase price, $585, same loan amount, $555. Look at the interest rate, because what I did is I used the hybrid agent rebate to buy down your interest rate. All right, so now instead of you getting a 4.49 interest rate, you're getting a rate of 3.75, okay? Now look what that did to your payment. All right, so you got $3,600, right, versus $3,871. So $3,871, $3,633. This right here shows you that difference in that mortgage payment is $238 per month. All right, so you tell me, you want to buy the same exact house, or you're looking at the exact same house. Which one do you want to buy? The one that's going to cost you $238 more, or the one that's going to cost you $238 less? These are the exact same houses, identical. So why would you not want one that's going to cost you $238 less per month? Now, savings over the life of the loan, well, let's just do easy math. Actually, I've already done it for you. All right, and let's see here. We're going to take $238.84 times 30 years, 360. Oh my goodness, $85,000 is what you would save on this particular property if you went just a hybrid agent route and got a lower interest rate. And guess what? We use our rebate to show you the difference. All right, so let me get this off the screen. I'm going to break this down and go into it a lot more. All right, so I'm going to hit the more info button. What we've got here, well, let's go over the payment breakdown. Property taxes, $800 estimated. Insurance, about $125 a month. Principal and interest on 4.5% is $28.12. Principal and interest on 3.75% is $25.17. Taxes and insurance, we kept those equal, along with the mortgage insurance as well. All right, there's your payment. Obviously, we know the difference. What I'm going to do here is jump into the closing costs now. All right, over here, they've got you bring in $36,000 to close. Okay, that's what you need after the down payment, after the closing costs and everything, $36,000. Because what I didn't tell you is that rate at 4.49 included a 1% buy down in it. So not only are you getting a higher interest rate, you're going to have to buy it down. It's going to cost you 1%. Over here, obviously, we're bringing a little bit less money, so that adds up to about $5,000, which is about that point that we didn't have to charge it. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to jump into fee detail. And I'm going to show you the actual breakdown. All right, underwriting fees, basically, these are just the fees. Title policy is going to run you about $2,500, maybe less if the seller pays for it. Kind of strange these days to get that. All right, underwriting fee going to run you about $10.55, but here's what I want to focus on. Right here, this point, $5,500, right? No contribution whatsoever coming from them on just your normal transaction without using a hybrid agent. All right, so remember this number right here, 55, 57, 50. That's the points to buy down that rate or to get that interest rate. It is at 4.5. It's costing you a point, so that's $5,500. All right. Now over here, I'm going to go and do the exact same thing. All these fees are equal, but right down here, now we've got points. I got you at 94.47, right? That sounds really bad, I know. 94.47.75. But look right here. Here is the hybrid agent contribution. So yes, it costs to buy that rate down, but guess who paid for it? So it cost you 94.47 to buy that rate down. We gave you 87.75 of it. So at the end of the day, you look at these two numbers. Would you like to bring, would you want to bring more money to closing, bring $36,000, get a higher interest rate of 4.5%, or would you like to get 3.75%, bring less money to closing, and save money per month? Ladies and gentlemen, I got to tell you, man, this hybrid agent program is insane. It is unreal. By far the best deal in real estate. Just, I mean, look at it. Same identical house. Would you want to pay $3,800 for a month for it, or would you want to pay $3,600 a month for it? It's a no-brainer. So if you're out there, you're thinking about purchasing a home, you definitely want to take a look at the hybrid agent program because nothing is going to match it, ladies and gentlemen. You can go to a builder. We'll do the exact same thing. Our deals beat the builders with their incentives. And that's a whole nother topic that I don't have time to get into. But hey, I wanted to show you guys how important it is. It's extremely important right now in a rising interest rate because the numbers do not lie. You can go 4.5 or you can go 3.75. You can go 4.5 and bring 36.8, or you can go 3.75 and bring 31,000. I mean, at some point, I understand. I know that this has to make sense. Once again, hit me up, Mike Price, the hybrid agent. I'm going to put a link in link in the bio. It's going to send you to a page. If you guys are interested in purchasing a home, you want to save money, you want to use this program, go over to it. I look forward to speaking to you guys soon. Take care.